5 herbs that balance hormones faster than pills, hidden science revealed. Tired of relying on synthetic hormones? What if I told you these 5 ancient herbs can outperform your prescription? I'm testing them all and uncovering secrets Big Pharma doesn't want you to know. Let's dive in. Your hormones will thank you. Herb Chuk 1. Ashwagandha. Meet ashwagandha, the king of adaptogens. Studies show it slashes cortisol, the stress hormone, by 40% in 8 weeks. But here's the shocker. It also boosts thyroid function by mimicking T3 hormones. Medieval warriors used it to stay calm and fertile. I took it for 7 days. My anxiety dropped and my sleep, deep as a coma. Next, your libido's new best friend. Herb number 2, maca root. Maca's not just for smoothies. Inca warriors used it to double stamina and fertility. Modern science, it balances estrogen and progesterone by acting like a hormone switch. But wait, it's also a libido booster. After 3 days, my energy spiked and, let's just say, my partner noticed. Coming up, the medieval period fix. Herb number 3, chasteberry, vitex. Monks used chasteberry to suppress libido, but women are now using it to regulate periods. How? It binds to dopamine receptors, normalizing prolactin, the mood hormone. A 2023 study found it reduced PMS symptoms by 65%. I tried it during my cycle. Cramps? Gone. Mood swings? History. Next, your thyroid's worst nightmare and savior. Herb number 4, Schisandra berry. Used in Chinese medicine for 2,000 years, Schisandra detoxifies the liver, the gland that controls hormone balance. But here's the kicker. It boosts adrenal hormones by 30%, fighting burnout. I drank it as tea for a week. My afternoon slump vanished. Bonus, it's a potent aphrodisiac. Finally, the herb that reverses menopause symptoms. Herb number 5, black cohosh. Native Americans use black cohosh for menstrual pain, but modern science reveals more. It contains triterpene glycosides, which mimic estrogen. A 2022 study showed it reduced hot flashes by 70% in menopausal women. I gave it to my mom. She's sleeping through the night again. These herbs have been hormonal superheroes for centuries, but timing matters. Take ashwagandha at night, maca in the morning, and pair chasteberry with vitamin B6 for maximum effect. But warning, these herbs can interact with meds. Always consult a doc first. Next week, I tried the carnivore diet for 10 days. Here's how my hormones imploded. Hit subscribe. It's going to get wild. Your hormones control you. Take control back.